Hello, before you start installing, there are a few things to consider. CareAlert isn't just a well-being monitor, it's also a nightlight that can come in handy during emergencies like power outages. To work properly, it needs to have a clear view of the area it's watching over, so be sure nothing is blocking it. You can always use the USB extension cord to place CareAlert on a table. A great spot for it would be at a spot where it has a view of people coming and going. Also, make sure it's not facing a bright window or getting direct sunlight. Once the installation is finished, make sure you turn on the battery switch on the left-hand side by pushing it up. This ensures the battery gets charged and that CareAlert functions when there is a power outage. Now, if you look at the right side, you will see a small hole that gives you access to the reset button. In the event you have to do a factory reset, make sure the unit is plugged in. Then, using a small pin or a toothpick, press the button for 5 seconds and let go. You should hear a bong indicating that the reset was successful. If you don't hear anything, the reset did not work and you have to try again. One more thing, give your CareAlert about a day to get used to its surroundings. It might not show much information immediately, but it needs time to understand all the data it collects. If you run into any problems, send us an email for support.